Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's another beautiful afternoon here in the jungle, and it's Tuesday afternoon here, and I just arrived from San Carlos City. Me and my friend been there because been buying some stuff for tomorrow's event. So Virgil, they have some Christmas party in his classroom tomorrow. So been buying some gift for his classmate because they have some exchange gift, and they're gonna also do some games. And this coming Thursday, they're gonna have some Christmas event there in the cover court in their school. So that's what they're gonna do sa the coronation of the prince and princess. So yesterday, um, we've been giving some rice for our relative Kili's family. So we've been buying one sack of rice, right? And I'm not so I just let his brother bought the rice. We just give the money, and he brought there to the, what's the name of that, to the wake of Kili. So he brought there to the family of Kili. And also I'm not even visit there yet because my son Virgil is not been feeling good. He have some bad cold, and he got a fever yesterday. So here in the Philippines, if you're not been feeling good, you're not supposed to be visiting some week because it will decide that it get worse. So hopefully after the Christmas event in their school, we can visit there to the family. And they're planning to have a funeral this coming December 20 because the family, his brother and sisters, they are living in Cebu. So it's very far from here. So they needs to have some extra money for the transportation. And some of them, their work, they need to wait for their salary for their work. So that's why they're just planning to come here maybe somewhere December 15. And some of them, they are coming here December 19. So that's why the funeral, it takes about 2 weeks or more than 1 week because they're waiting for the family. And we'll be giving some cash donation also for the family. So we'll just give some cash because I know they need it badly, and also they can buy some foods there because we really don't know what they really need. So what we bought only is the rice because you know rice is important. So we're just giving the cash maybe after Virgil's Christmas event because I've been busy also in the school of my son, been renting his costume, and also we're just busy in the school activity. And also they have some band, they need to perform their band in their school. So that's why we just gave the cash, right, so that they're the one who buy the foods that they need in the house.
Yeah, we don't know what else they may need.
Yeah, because we don't know what they really need this time. So it's better, right?
Yeah, they might need some medication or anything.
Yeah, maybe they need some medication for the kids, and we don't know. And also maybe they use it in the funeral, right? And some of our neighbors here, they donate some coffee and bread. They use it every night for the people who is watching there. And we have all last night they have a lots of visitors there, the friends and relatives of Kili. So I really do appreciate all of you for helping our relative, right, baby? And we really do appreciate it, and that money you give to them, it really it's a big help to them. So I really do appreciate all of you for the help. It really helps for the family. I know they really need it badly, especially the wife of Keely.
Yeah.
She don't have a work.
Yeah, I think they got some outstanding credits too.
Yeah, and they have a lots of credit need to pay, because you know it's unexpected what happened to Keely. And also the person where he have the, you know, he's a vendor of an ice cream, Ice Boko. Do you know ice cream, right? Ice cream, Ice Boko. Yeah, he's Keely's work. He's been selling some ice cream, Ice Boko. So the owner of that, they give something to the family of Keely. And also last night they've been giving some food, some groceries for the family. And it's nice, right? Because, you know,
Oh, very nice.
yeah, very nice of them for doing that, of giving some foods for the family. And you know, it's really sad because, you know, after the funeral, maybe the wife of Keely will be working in the sugar cane, because that's what she planned. And also the kids of Keely, they have in high school, two high school.
Yeah.
So
They'll probably do like they did once before. One go one day, one go the next day, take care of the baby.
yeah, because they have a one year old baby. It's baby girl.
Yeah.
And hopefully, guys, things will get better for them. And it's really sad, but it happened so quick on their father. And he's just 41 years old. And also the family of Keely, also the brother, will be helping each other. I don't know, because some of the family, his family is their work also is not really good, right, Daddy? The salary ba of the work,
No.
it's not really big salary. So
Most of them don't make over maybe between 175 to maybe 275 a day.
so we just
Pesos.
so we just try our best to help them some, you know. We do what we can, right?
Yes.
Because we have also family here, our own family. So we just try our best to help them. And you know, one of the daughter of Keely, she's very smart. The next daughter, but not the oldest.
Oh, it's okay.
The other one, I think she's in grade 8. And you know, before Keely died, she told one of his friend, that he said hopefully that there's someone can help my daughter to have education ba before he died. He said that word, that hopefully that he have someone to help his one daughter to have education, to have a nice education, so that she can finish. and
Yeah.
and hopefully, guys, that things will get better for them, right? Because right now, the daughter, the one riding on his back of the motorcycle, she's still traumatized of what happened to them. And it's really sad because of her young age. It happened.
Yeah, I think she just now became a teenager, didn't she?
Yeah, I don't know how old. I think she's 16 or 15, something like that. And yeah, but so after the Christmas event on Virgil School, we're gonna try to visit there on the wake of Keely. And we're gonna give some donation for the family. And I really do appreciate for all the help, and I know that the family needs it badly, right?
Yeah. I'm missing walking by here with a big smile every time.
Yeah, my husband miss Keely because every time he pass here in our house, going to his house, he keeps waving to my husband and says good morning like that, right?
Yeah.
And carrying his daughter,
Yeah.
his 1-year-old daughter. Yeah, Keely is very close on his family, especially for his kids. He's really a good father to them.
Better than most Filipinos.
Yeah, he's
I noticed that to be true with most of his boys, most of the boys, the brothers.
yeah.
They seem to be good dads.
So I not even do some video yesterday because I just let Willie, the brother of Keely, brought the rice, and I just not even take some videos because I've been busy in the school of Virgil because they have some practice yesterday in their band. So they already brought the rice yesterday, guys, and the family is happy. They are very happy because you know
they're happy to get the gifts. Not happy because the situation.
Yeah, they're not happy about the situation, but they are happy because there's someone, but there's a lot of people who help them, and they really appreciate all the help. And I know this time they're still very sad, and you know
after it's all said and done, the sad part of it is all this fresh help will disappear.
Yeah, because you know they need to pay the funeral, the right, and also after this they're not complete as a family, right?
No, that's what I'm talking about. After it's all done and over with,
yeah,
then people start doing the wrong thing, and then you know that's when they'll struggle with food and keeping the kids in school.
Yeah, the driver of that multi-cab helps them only small for the casket, and also they give some extra money. Yeah, the owner of the multi-cab, not the foreigner.
Not the driver.
But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the driver will help some because yeah, the owner of the multi-cab helps them for the casket, and also they give some small money for the foods. And you know it's not really enough, right?
No,
not enough because that money they give is really not enough. It's they need more than that, and also you know you cannot pay the dead person that price, right? What they give.
No, like I said, you know, the kids, after said and done, the kids are going to need things.
Yeah.
School still goes on, and they still have to eat. They will have projects
their
in school.
Daily living, projects in the school, and you know, I was thinking also about that, Daddy, that maybe we help them some for their school, right?
Yeah.
My other relative offer them some ride every morning in the, they have motorbike ba, one of their son have motorbike, then they gonna ride him in the motorcycle.
Okay.
You know guys, by the way, I learned my lesson now. You know, we both now a new helmets. I really learned my you know, it's been a long time we've been planning to buy some helmets, so we need to be that our safety is more important, right, Daddy? So we bought a helmet. You know, I have a lots of regrets also why we not buy the helmets too soon like that.
What happened to our old helmets?
Our old helmets, we really have a helmet, but the problem, the handle was that it's stuck up because of the rust. And also we give some of the Mario, I think one of them we give to Mario. Then the one, your helmet, it's too old, it's very bad now, but the shape is very bad, that's why we cannot use it. So So we bought helmet in online, and it be coming here in few days, couple of days, because it's important, the safety of our family. And I'm still a little bit of scared riding in the motorbike without helmet now, because it's not really safety. So one of our friend, right, comment about it, and I know he's really correct, very correct. You know, safety first, and you know, that's why I learned my lesson. Because you know, you need to take good care of your life, because you only live once. You only live once, guys, so you need to be wearing safety gear, right?
Exactly right.
So I think that's all for today, guys. I just want to do update of what happened of the week of Kili Willie of the week of Kili, and we're gonna do more videos. I'm gonna try more videos again on the coronation of Virgils this coming Thursday. They have that Christmas event and the coronation of Prince and Princess. So I'm gonna try to do some videos on that day. So thank you so much again for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and for my new subscriber out there. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for subscribing my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, and God bless us all.